Hi, Kevin's here with Skolton's Equipment, looking at a brand new KX040-5. Whole new redesign on this machine, brand new cab, brand new hydraulic system, great new entrance into the machine. Take a look. Best part about this machine is all the new styling. KX040 really needed a facelift and Kubota gave it a good one. This thing is great looking. Coming up the main stick, you'll see the same secondary hydraulics we've had before with brand new LED work lights and LED cab lights on the top. 6-way blade that 40 is legendary, known for. All right, let's open this thing up. So we got all new layout on the engine compartment, all the servicing items, very easy to get to. We got an oil filter right here, fluids, very simple. Everything on this opens up super easy. All new cooling pack, hydraulic, fuel water separator. Everything is really close, really easy to grab to. Everything opens up very simply. Kubota's done a good job. Coming into the new cab, new wide cab opening. All new layout on the interior. Get over to the soft touch buttons. LED display. But most importantly, lots of space. You are going to be very comfortable inside this cab.
While we're sitting here, I'm going to be talking to you.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. This is full RPM. I can't hear it. That's quiet.
That's quiet.
Yeah, that's very quiet.
Kubota's done a great job on a redesign. Let's take a closer look. Now from an operator's position, I am 6'4", and there is all kinds of room inside of this thing. Get our hydraulic locking lever down. Feels very comfortable. All the controls nice and easy to reach. All soft touch buttons, jog dial. Most importantly, no radio. Where'd the radio go? It's all integrated into the monitor, full Bluetooth, all your radio controls right here into your display. Plus, keyless start. It's gonna be a great new machine.
At the ride and drive this morning, looks like I'm the first one to drive the 40. I got here at the crack of dawn, and looks like we're gonna knock over some softballs.